We're making spicy, high-protein burrito bowls. Let's go. First, we're gonna make our rice. Now we're gonna brown our turkey. While those two things are going, make your pico de gallo. Our water is boiling. We're gonna put some rice in there. I'm using jasmine rice. It's back to a boil. I'm gonna put it down to medium-low, cover it for 25 minutes. Now this is pretty brown. You can see here that there's not a lot of moisture in the pan. So I'm gonna add these taco seasoning mixes, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. A little more water. Get your onion. Now I'm gonna cut up 2 jalapeños. Grab your cilantro. Grab your limes, garlic salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We're gonna put the rice in here. Grab your cilantro and put it in the rice. And 1 lime. Cilantro, lime, rice. And now for our sauce. Greek yogurt, 1 jalapeno, seeds and all. Cilantro, 1 or 2 limes, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And now to try. Cut.